So this video is going to be practical, and I have a lab scenario for you. And the lab scenario is, for example, you're working for a company called Tech, and your managers just tells you that you know what, we really need to install Exchange Server 2016, and this is going to be the first time, and you need to do everything from scratch. So and you also need to do it on a virtualization application. So what you can do now in here is you can either use Oracle VirtualBox, VMware Player, and VMware Workstation in order to do the installation of Exchange Server 2016 and operating systems and Active Directory or anything that is a requirement for Exchange Server 2016. Just to keep in mind, Oracle VirtualBox, VMware Player, and VMware Workstation that we are going to use, it is not for enterprise businesses. It is not for other businesses. This is just for our lab purposes. So here I just want to show you Oracle VirtualBox. So when you go to virtualbox.org, you will be able to click on download VirtualBox 5.1, which is the latest version, and then you can click in here for Windows operating system. If you're using Linux or any other operating system, just click on one of these links. So I have already downloaded VirtualBox 5.1.8, and you can see that this is the VirtualBox that I already have with me. And the thing is that I'm not going to use VirtualBox for this lab, but this was for those who just don't want to buy VMware Workstation. They can download VirtualBox, and then they can simply go ahead and do the configuration or the installation of operating systems and others. So I already have VMware Workstation 12, where I have already run the setup, and then when I click next, I have to accept the user agreement. Click next. This is the installation location where I'm going to just install the VMware Workstation. Enhanced keyboard drivers. If you want it to be installed, then this feature is going to require 10 MB. It's going to give you much better experience with the keyboards when you're using it. So I'll just click on next. Check for product updates, help improve VMware Workstation Pro. I'll just keep it selected, and then you want to create a desktop shortcut, and then create the shortcut on your start menu for VMware Workstation Pro, and click next and install. So this is the easy steps that you can use to install VMware Workstation. And same thing with VirtualBox. So it's a very simple and easy process to install VMware Workstation Pro or VMware Player or VirtualBox. So I just paused the video because it was taking time. So I have already finished the installation, and the last thing that you see in here is finish and then license. If I click on license, it's going to ask me for the license key, which I am going to just put, and then I'll be back. So after entering the license, the last setup wizard that you have is just to click on finish, and this is the last step. Once you click on finish, then your VMware Workstation is going to be installed, and the icon that you will see is going to be something like this. So this is VMware Workstation Pro icon that is going to be created on your desktop. So once you double click on it, it will open the VMware Workstation for you. So that's how the VMware Workstation looks like. So I hope you have learned something, and this is how we can install VMware Workstation, and that's how you can download the VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. So it is easy and simple, and I hope again that you have learned something, and I'll see you in next video.